Hi, in this video we are going to cover a lot of topics today. So let me open my sheet. So I have opened my workbook, and as of now we are going to cover how to select a cell, how to copy and paste the data, how to cut and paste the data, how to do undo and redo, find and replacement commands, and go to. So these are topics we are going to cover. So first, how to select the data cell. So there is a various method, okay, and very easy is the from the keyboard, from your arrow keys, okay. So if I select any cell anywhere, I can move my selection by arrow key. If I want to move, as of now F4 cell is selected, for example, I want to move up, so I have to press our arrow key from the keyboard, up arrow. If I want to go to the down, I have to press down arrow. For right, I have to press right arrow, and for left, left arrow. So if you observe, I am moving my cursor, but it getting selected only cell, one cell, right? So if I have selected one cell here, I control this C1 or this one's any cell, it is getting selected only one. Now I want select multiple cell. What I can do? To do that, I have to same way, whatever the arrow keys I am using, I have to still use the same, but I have to press shift down arrow. So if what it will have, whatever the I'm keep on pressing, and it Excel is getting selected. This is the way. I want to move little down right, I can click right, okay. So same way, little down, what are the cell, it will get selected. So just practice it. It is very easy. Just keep pressing your shift key and keep on pressing the arrow keys to the which direction you want to select. So hope you have understand. So one cell always will be get selected as soon as you move the cursor or that arrow to that cell and click, it will get selected. And if you want to select multiple cell, then you have to press shift key and keep your arrow key down. Also sometime we have to select by page wise, like there is if I am clicking one time, right? If I want to select multiple, just keep press it, do not release the arrow key. I have pressed shift key, and then I'm just did not release the down button, just is keep on going. So okay, so this way, if I want to go right, I will just click on the right and it will go to the right, okay. I don't have to press. If 2 or 3 cells are there, I can just click on that, okay. Say for example, I am just making this one little bit bigger data, okay, for our understanding. So I have very as of now I have a little bit bigger. Now I want to select, okay, I want to select entire thing. So what I'll do, first I have selected the G column, then I will go, I will press shift key and the press right arrow, it will go there, and I have to keep on pressing this down arrow. So if you see that something I did not release on right time, so I can just move it up and down, okay. So if you see, I have selected all these things. Once data is selected, okay, so any operation you want to perform, any command you want to perform, you have to select that cell. Say for example, I want to apply the color, I want to copy the data. Now first of all, you have to select that cell, right? So I have explained how to select the cell. Another one method is that, say for example, if I am on this cell and entire 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there and multiple rows are there, entire thing I want to select. No, I have to press anywhere in this table and press Ctrl A, it will get selected, okay. If one more time I get Ctrl A, it will select all. So Ctrl A for the selection all. But if I wanted to select here, just Ctrl A, it will get selected, okay. Now once data is selected, then only I can copy and paste. So say for example, I have shown you here, I have this table here, I copied it. So first I have selected it, I selected that and press Ctrl C from the keyboard, or else if you wanted to go long cut method from the our mouse, what you have to do, you have to select that one and click on go to the home, and from here if you see there is an option called copy, and if you are little bit hold the cursor, it will say the control C is the shortcut. For all the shortcut whatever available in the Excel, it will give the tips, and you can slowly you can memorize it. Okay, so we can now, I have selected and press control C, control C, it got copy. Now copy, I have copied it, but where I want to paste, right? So say for example I want to paste here in K2 column. So what I'll go and press and control V. Control V is the shortcut for the pasting the data. Okay, and what is the one more thing I forgot to mention here. Once you copy anything, any data, right, you will be having this dancing arrow. Okay, so that means that range is got selected, and wherever you go and select and control V or paste the data, it will go. So long cut for the pasting is here, you have the paste button, you can click on the paste. Okay, data will get pasted. Now another option is there, cut and paste. So what is the cut and paste? Cut means it is kind of moving the file, right? So one place file is there, like some data is there, I want to cut it. So shortcut method for control X, and in long cut you can from the keyboard you can use this icon and cut it. So one for the cutting and copying, both symbols are same. Okay, and now if I go and paste anywhere, okay, you observe when I was pasting data from the copy and paste, the data on the source whatever it was there, it was remain there, and the same data got pasted here. Okay, but when I use cut and paste, the data got removed from source and it has been pasted here. Okay, so this is the main difference. When we don't want data to be there, okay, we want in new place, we can cut and paste. If I want the same source data as well and the next data as well, so we can use the copy and paste. Okay, now what is the undo and redo? So some action I have performed, but actually I don't want it. So for example, I just used a cut and paste. I have pasted data, this topics to yes column, but it was B column, right? I want back this data to be in B column, so I can use this one, right? You just see that. So undo, very simple. Whatever I have done, I don't want that. Okay, just undo that. Click Control Z is the shortcut, and here you can find that undo, paste, and then what is the redo? Say for example, whatever I have undo, but I wanted to redo again, so I just click on the redo, and Control Y is a shortcut for that. So it will be last operation will be until unless we save the file, it will be now I have saved the file, then it will be this highlighted. Okay, now next topic is very interesting, find and replacement. Okay, so find replacement team as of now, how what is the meaning, what is the word means, right? The find means something you are wanted to search, right? So on Excel sheet something is available, you want to find it out. There's a lot of places we have as of now control, right? I want to find all those, how many places control is there. Any particular sentence, say for example you will be having, you have employee database, 10,000 employees are there, but I want to see that whether one employee is there or not, that in 10,000. So instead of going each line one by one, right, I can find out whether that name is given or that is available or not. Okay, so to get the find option, what is the shortcut is Control F is the shortcut, Control F, and long cut method you have to click on the home tab and go to the find and select. Click on find and this one, so you will be getting find, and what is the last time you have searched, right, that option will be available here. Okay, so what you want to find? I want to find, say for example, Goto. So wherever it is mentioned as a Goto, let me find. So I am clicking next, you just see that Goto got find, right? What are the places Goto is available, we can find it out. So basically Goto function is used for the finding a data, okay, and it is a large data is available, then it will be very useful. Now what we will do is we'll see that what is the replace, right, how we can get the replacement. So replacement, same, we have to control F first method. There is 3 method we can do. So control F, and there you can see the replace, okay, and what we want to find, so the same way as we have put on the find, we can do it, and what replacement of that after searching what we can replace, okay. So I want to find Goto, okay, and I want to put this will be removed, okay. If I put replace, if you see Goto, what happened, replace, okay, let's search again, cannot find the match, okay, might be it is not finding. Control H, what I want to find, in more options we have good anything, no, we have all good, row sheet, let's find, getting find, then it should replace, yeah. So if you see, it got replaced, it has selected the second one, and if I click replace, it getting replaced, right, it getting replaced. Here go to in G29 cell, if I clicking replace, it getting replaced. If I click on the replace all, it all the cell will be getting replaced. So in the general way, in the general day-to-day work, right, if we have selected if I have a large data, on one data I have done some spelling mistake, right, and I want to change entire thing, so the find and replacement will be working very good for that, okay. I will show you. I have this will be removed, and I had some spelling mistake here, right. So what we can do is we can go to the find and replace. What I want to find, I want to find th, okay, and what I want a replacement of that, this, okay. If I click and replace all, if you observe 14 replacement has been done, and where it was thi, now it has become this, okay. So wherever thi was available, it goes to the, like, it has been removed, okay. Now I want go to back, right. So in this control Z we can do, okay, but each time it getting like it got removed. Now we use the control Z for the undo, and whatever the action I have performed after that, it got reverted. Now I want to see what is the Goto command. Goto command is used to jump to any particular range or cell based on the reference. So what is the shortcut for the control G is the shortcut, and long cut method, again you can go to the home and find and select. From there you can go to like you can choose control G, and if you see there is a control plus C is the shortcut, it means I'm clicking on that, and what I'll do is I want to go column H1, okay. If I hit enter, if you see H1 got selected, okay. Control G again, I can select multiple. I want to say select A1 to J3 300, okay. I click OK, sorry, J1. So J1 A1 to J300, all the cell got selected, okay. If you remember in the previous session we have created one example range, right. If I am clicking that, the example range is getting selected, okay. Hope you have understand that. If you have any clarification, just put on the comment box, we'll try to get you back.